What? I want to be in my room, okay?
Whoa, girl. What do you say, bro? Bro's giving you water. What do you say? You say thanks?
Please.
Please, and then? Say thanks. What do you say?
Please.
No, you say thank you. You say thank you to bro? Say thanks. You're silly. You like spaghetti?
I'll leave my room.
That spoon's too big. Uh-oh, you're making a mess.